Setting up your printer correctly is important. If you don't, your printer won't work. You won't be able to print documents, pictures, or anything else. A poorly set up printer can mean lots of frustration. You might have error messages. Your computer might not recognize the printer. These problems are frustrating. A good setup makes printing easy. You can print without problems. You can share your printer with other computers. This makes your life easier. Take your time setting up your printer. Follow the steps carefully. This will save you time and frustration in the long run. There are two main types of printers, wired and wireless. Wired printers connect to your computer with a cable. Wireless printers connect to your Wi-Fi network. Wired printers are usually cheaper than wireless printers. They are also easy to set up. Simply plug the printer into your computer and install the software. Wireless printers are more convenient than wired printers. You can print from anywhere in your house. You don't need to be tethered to your computer. Think about your needs when choosing a printer. If you need a printer for occasional use, a wired printer is a good option. If you need a printer for frequent use, or you want to print from multiple devices, a wireless printer is a better choice. Setting up a wired printer is easy. First, unpack your printer. Remove all the packing tape. Next, connect your printer to your computer. Use the USB cable that came with your printer. Plug one end into the printer and the other end into your computer. Turn on your printer. Your computer should recognize the printer. It may install the necessary drivers automatically. If your computer doesn't install the drivers, you'll need to install them manually. Insert the software CD that came with your printer. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once the drivers are installed, you should be able to print. Open a document or picture that you want to print. Click File, and then Print. Select your printer from the list of available printers. Setting up a wireless printer is a little more complicated than setting up a wired printer. But don't worry, it's still manageable. First, make sure your printer and your computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You can find your Wi-Fi network name and password on your router. Next, turn on your printer. Press the wireless button on your printer. This will usually be a button with a picture of a Wi-Fi signal. Your printer will search for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks. Enter your Wi-Fi password if prompted. Once your printer is connected to your Wi-Fi network, you need to install the printer drivers on your computer. You can usually do this by downloading the drivers from the printer manufacturer's website. Once the drivers are installed, you should be able to print wirelessly. Open a document or picture that you want to print. Click File and then Print. Select your printer from the list of available printers.